don't expect help from the cops.
Don't let them fool you. Don't believe for a minute that they are with you.
Yes guys, it's Ibarraman here again with another video, and today we'll be reacting to 10 things not to do in Jamaica. Let's go.
When you book your trip to Jamaica, the odds are good that you're headed for a spirited but relaxing island vacation. But there's much more to Jamaica than great music and gorgeous weather. So follow these tips to keep safe and have fun while visiting Jamaica. Know before you go. 1. Don't forget about the State Department. You should know before you travel that both sexual assault and armed robbery are common throughout the nation, in some cases even inside gated resorts.
Alright, I went into this video with an open mind. However, to say that violence is the norm is a gross exaggeration in my opinion. Just like in every country, you have certain neighborhoods which are more prone to violence and delinquency than other communities, so...
You stupid!
2. Don't expect help from the cops. The Jamaican police force is universally underpaid and understaffed. Their attention is mostly focused on more serious crime, so a tourist's stolen camera doesn't rank high on their list of priorities.
Alright, first of all, not asking the police for help, it's absolute rubbish. Because I've worked at a police station before and we've had people come in for basic complaints. Even things as simple as my daughter is not listening to me or my mom is not allowing me to go out. So I don't agree with this. Furthermore, in Jamaica, there's a sort of bias. It's unfortunate, it's true, where a tourist will be treated better than the regular person. Or at least in my experience, that is how it has been.
3. Don't try to get around without a driver. In Jamaica, they drive on the wrong, left side of the road. It can be a little perplexing, but for a small fee you can hire a driver for the day to help you get around efficiently and safely.
First of all, when you go in any foreign country, it would be good to have a driver or someone to show you around. That is common sense. However, many people have gone to Jamaica without knowing anyone and they navigate. So I don't understand what he's talking about. Furthermore, when he mentioned that we drive on the wrong side of the road, I mean, how exactly do you decide which side of the road is the right side of the road?
4. Don't backpack through Jamaica. People who backpack through Jamaica essentially put a target on their back, attracting the worst of the island's criminal element. Your best bet is to spend most of your time in highly populated areas.
Oh my god, this guy is nuts, he's crazy, he's absolute rubbish. Are you serious? First of all, has this guy ever been to Jamaica? I have spent the majority of my life in Jamaica and there have been many tourists. I've seen many people with their backpacks and they go traveling. In fact, I've even gone hiking. So I have no idea what this person is talking about. Clearly, in every country there is danger. Even here in France, you could go outside and someone could rob you. Is he really promoting Jamaica or trying to get people not to go there?
5. Do your research.
Obviously.
Where you spend your vacation will determine what there is to do. Love the nightlife? Then Negril has tons of thriving hotspots.
Did you say Negril? It's Negril, not Negril, it's Negril.
Taking your family for some fun in the sun? Montego Bay is full of family-friendly resorts. Want to experience Jamaica's inland paradise? Check out Ocho Rios.
Why are you butchering the names? First of all, it's a Spanish name. Ocho Rios, which is 8 rivers. However, in Jamaica we just say Ochi or Ocho Rios.
6. Don't look at the merchants. When you're browsing at the shops on the island, avoid direct eye contact with the merchants. They will take it as a sign that you want to buy something. But if you're just looking, keep your eyes on the merchandise and not on the owner.
This guy is giving me the impression that he has never traveled in his life before. Wherever you go and there are vendors, having direct eye contact will be a sort of invitation. Having the person say, hey, come buy for me, do you want this? Even if you're not making direct contact, the person might even approach you just by seeing you because you look new. It's obviously you're a foreigner or for various other reasons. And is this a bad thing if someone wants you to buy from them? Dude, this is just absolute garbage. We have about 1 minute to go, so it possibly can't get any worse. Please don't prove me wrong.
7. Don't use American dollars. While good old-fashioned greenbacks are welcome on the island, you should consider using the Jamaican dollar. You'll find that you don't have to worry about exchange rates and the locals will appreciate it.
This is a no-brainer. Obviously, when you go to a new country, it is best to use the currency of that country, even if they accept the foreign currency. This is just a no-brainer, and I don't think you need to tell people this.
8. Don't get uptight. The entire country is filled with people who are looking on the bright side. And while they're eager to please, they're not in any big hurry. So you shouldn't be either. No one wants to hang around with a grumpy tourist.
Oh, this guy is full of crap. What he's doing is simply stereotyping Jamaicans as happy people. Clearly, we are a set of happy people, of course, some of us, but they are disgusting people in Jamaica. People who are grumpy, grouchy. We're not always sunshine and happy. No.
9. Don't be afraid to explore. There is a heck of a lot more to the island of Jamaica than just lounging on its world-class beaches. There are a lot of great shopping spots and natural beauty like Dunn's River Falls.
I will agree here that in Jamaica, there's a lot to do. We have beautiful landscapes, beautiful beaches, wonderful restaurants, outside street vendors, outside restaurants. So I would say yes, explore. There are many things in Jamaica, things that even I didn't know existed in Jamaica, such as surfing, skateboarding. There are a lot of things to do in Jamaica, so I agree with this point here.
10. Don't worry about finding a good beach. The best part about Jamaica is that no matter where you book your reservations, Jamaica will have a pristine stretch of golden sand waiting for you. Don't spend a ton of time trying to find the right beach. They're pretty much all that beach. Where do you want to know what not to do in?
Alright, so the last point I agree with. The beaches in Jamaica are generally wonderful. I can definitely say in Jamaica, almost any beach or body of water you pick will be a good pick. Whether it be a river, a stream, the beach. So, that is it for this video. I can see why it has such high dislike, because some things were simply rubbish. But my question remains, has this guy ever been to Jamaica? Nonetheless, guys, that is it for the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Tap the notification bell, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.
No matter where in this world I go, I am a Jamaican. No birth papers I have to show, 'cause I am a Jamaican.